ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನ ಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಯಾಮಿಮಾಂ ಪುಷ್ಪಿತಾಂ ವಾಚಂ ಪ್ರವದಂತ್ಯವಿಪಶ್ಚಿತಃ ವೇದವಾದರತಾಃ ಪಾರ್ಥ ನಾನ್ಯದಸ್ತೀತಿ ವಾದಿನಃ ಕಾಮಾತ್ಮಾನಃ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಪರಾಃ ಜನ್ಮಕರ್ಮಫಲಪ್ರದಾಂ ಕ್ರಿಯಾವಿಶೇಷಬಹುಲಾಂ ಭೋಗೈಶ್ವರ್ಯಗತಿಂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಭೋಗೈಶ್ವರ್ಯಪ್ರಸಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ತಯಾಪಹೃತಚೇತಸಾಂ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯಾತ್ಮಿಕಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿಃ ಸಮಾಧೌ ನ ವಿಧೀಯತೆ. We are continuing from what Bhagavan Shri Krishna spoke in the verse 42 about the limitations of doing action, expecting worldly results alone. Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. They strain themselves to get worldly benefits. They spend more time, energy and money for this purpose. There are so many rules and regulations which have to be strictly followed while performing the rituals. With respect to taking bath, restrictions in food, purity of the place, etc., prescribed in the Vedas. They work hard to get more money and worldly pleasures. From the worldly perspective, people work for mundane results. Here, Bhagavan Shri Krishna is talking about Vaidika karmas, done with worldly expectation. Their goal is just bhoga, sense pleasures, and Aishwarya Gati, being in power, rulership. In so many contexts, the Vedas talk about various rituals and their results. They are carried away by them and work towards these results. Their aim is getting more money, power and sense pleasures. Bhoga Aishwarya Prasaktanam. They are very much attached to sense pleasures and power. Tayapahrita Chetasam. Their mind is overpowered by this attachment for sense pleasures and power, and they are deluded. Due to this delusion, they cannot see the limitations, problems in their pursuits. They dream about the pleasures they are going to get and forget the pains that are also going to accompany the pleasures. Adi Shankaracharya gives the meaning for the word samadhau as in the mind. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi na vidhiyate. He will not have a firm, determined mind to work for absolute wisdom. He will lack the discrimination, dispassion, patience, concentration and focus required for Jnana Yoga. He will not have clarity. He will not care about purity of the mind. He will not have the maturity to discriminate between the eternal happiness and ephemeral pleasures. He will not have the conviction to work for jnanam and moksha. He will not have peace of mind. Thus, if one works with expectation of worldly results, one's mind will be distracted and restless. One's mind will not be at peace. But if the same karma is done as yoga, aiming at mental purity, one will get the opposite, greater result. Thus, Bhagavan compared sakama dharmanusthana and nishkama dharmanusthana, and insists that one should get relieved from sakama dharmanusthana and do nishkama dharmanusthana to realize real security, peace and happiness. Yamimam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitah vedavadarataah partha nanyadastiti vadinah kamatmanasvargaparaha janma karma phalapradam kriya vishesha bahulam bhogaishvarya gatim prati bhogaishvarya prasaktanam tayapahrita chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhihi samadhau na vidhiyate. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om. Om